This
Distinguished guests, respected dignitaries, members of the faculty, industry leaders, researchers, my dear students and friends, good morning to all of you. It's an honor to be invited as chief guest at this important gathering focused on data-driven climate change and resilient infrastructure, a theme that sits at the very heart of our shared future. Before I start my address, let me tell you that according to World Meteorological Organization, the last 9 years have been the warmest on record, and climate-related disasters have increased five-folds over the past 50 years, causing trillions of dollars in damage worldwide. More importantly, over 90% of these losses are linked directly to infrastructure systems that were never designed for today's climate realities. And when I say infrastructure systems, that means transport, energy, water, cities. The single fact tells us something profound. Climate change is no longer just an environmental issue, it's fundamentally an infrastructure and data problem. Climate change, as I told you, is no longer a distant projection or an abstract scientific debate. It's a lived reality. We see it in extreme events, rising temperatures, erratic rainfall, intensifying storms, thunderstorms, flash floods, prolonged droughts, and coastal erosion. These changes are not only environmental challenges, they are infrastructure challenges, economic challenges, and human challenges. Let me tell you the role of data in understanding climate change. It is now fourth industrial revolution, that is Industry 4.0, which is based on ubiquitous connectivity. We call it Internet of Things. What distinguished our moment in history is data, data, and data. Never before have we had access to such vast real-time high-resolution data from satellite sensors, climate models, smart grids, and digital twins of cities, BIM. Data allows us to move beyond intuition and hindsight towards prediction, precision, and preparedness. Data also helps us answer critical questions. Where are climate risks increasing fastest? Which communities and assets are most vulnerable? How will future climate scenario impact infrastructure performance over decades? When data is combined with artificial intelligence, machine learning, and advanced analytics, it becomes a powerful decision-making tool, turning uncertainties into actionable insight. It's time to rethink infrastructure for a changing climate. Traditionally, infrastructure has been designed based on historical climate patterns, but the past is no longer a reliable guide for the future. Resilient infrastructure must be adaptive. That means not static. It must be predictive, that means not reactive, and it must be integrated, not siloed. Whether we are talking about roads, bridges, power systems, water network, or urban housing, resilience today means designing systems that can anticipate shocks, absorb stress, recover quickly, and evolve over time. The data enables this shift. Predictive maintenance reduces failure before they occur. Climate modeling informs safer design methods. Real-time monitoring enables rapid response during extreme events. Friends, it's time to move from gray to smart and green infrastructure. Resilience is not only about strength, but it is also about sustainability. Data-driven approaches allows us to optimize energy use and reduce emissions, integrate renewable energy into power grids, design nature-based solutions alongside engineered systems. Smart and green infrastructure enabled by data helps us balance development with environmental responsibility. It ensures that growth does not come at the cost of future generation. Collaboration is the real infrastructure. Here, however, data alone is not enough. The true foundation of resilient infrastructure is collaboration. Collaboration between government and academia, collaboration between engineers, climate scientists, and data professionals, collaboration between public institutions and private industry. We must also ensure that data is accessible, interoperable, and ethically used so that resilience is inclusive and not limited to a few privileged regions or population. My message to all the students sitting here, uh, you are entering the workforce at a defining moment. Your ability to combine engineering knowledge, data literacy, and climate awareness will shape the cities, systems, and societies of tomorrow. The future will belong to those who can think across disciplines and act with purpose. Let me conclude by saying climate change is the greatest challenge of our time, but it is also an opportunity to rethink how we build, plan, and govern. With data as our compass and resilience as our goal, we can create infrastructure that is not only stronger, but smarter, fairer, and more sustainable. I commend the organizers for choosing such a timely and impactful theme, and I wish this conference every success in generating ideas that translate into real world pragmatic action. Thank you very much for your attention. Jai Hind. Thank you.